and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, another surprise. It's gonna be a Shopee haul. And I really wanted to do this and upload this. Holiday time, syempre, alam ko, cemeteries are closed. So we have no choice kundi sa bahay na lang. Syempre, alam ko naman na kapag bored ka, tingin-tingin ka sa Shopee. Kaya I decided to upload this video para I can share you guys what I got recently from Shopee. Alam ko po ulit-ulit ako gumagawa ng Shopee haul, but I really just love watching and creating them for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's get started. O nga pala guys, a little disclaimer. May ginagawang bahay sa amin. As in, katabi namin. So, medyo maingay. Please bear with it. So, okay, let's start with, as usual, tops. Hindi nawawala ang tops para may turno. So, let's start with this halter top na animal print. I like it kasi it's color pink. Ay, parang mga nakikita ko animal print sa Shopee are almost the same na parang brown lang, red, ganon. And gusto ko yung kulay niya. And it's a tie halter top. So, pwede mo siya like babaan or saktong taas lang. And it's also backless. It's cropped. And I also got a pants na I'm thinking na itaturn ko siya with this one. So, makikita nyo na lang siya. But okay, so next, we have this lacy crop top. Lagi akong kumukuha ng mga ganitong crop tops kasi it never goes out of style. Before, naging uso siya, tapos nawala ulit. Tapos, bumabalik na naman ulit yung pagka-lacy and then ribbed. Sobrang gaganda ng mga ganong tops sa Shopee. But make sure to read reviews kasi yun talaga yung nagdadala sa akin. I mean, binabasa ko talaga yung reviews. That's why I never fail to shop sa Shopee. Although sometimes meron din. But yeah, I got this wine red na color. There's a lot of colors to choose from. But naisip ko wala pa akong ganitong color. Or meron man, mga dalawang peraso lang. Alam niyo naman ako more on white and black. So next, we have another rib top na halter din. Actually, hindi siya halter. Tinatay lang siya na pa ganyan. So, design lang siya, but it's a straight cut na crop top. Diba uso yung mga ganyan na parang bandeau style? And meron siyang terno, what they call this, cardigan. So, medyo uso rin yung ganon, no? Yung cardigan, tapos you have a crop top. Pwedeng lacy na crop top or just a bralette. And, ayun, ang ganda. Siguro talaga kung walang pandemic, ang ganda talaga magdamit ng mga ganun. But, looking at it, hindi siya ganun kakapal na rib. So, pwede siya sa climate or weather natin dito na minsan mainit, minsan sakto lang when it's raining. And, ayun, meron kasi mga rib na pang malamig siya na makapal. Okay, next we also have this vest. Parang vest ba to? Na top. Sa photo, hindi siya ganun kababa. That's why I chose this one. Maganda siya if you're gonna cover it up with a blazer, which I got again. So, ayun, maganda siya turn with skirt or para mas maging chic yung vibe ng outfit nyo. And then maybe a white sneakers or white sandals. Ganito yung itsura niya. Na-imagine ko parang mga Korean yung mga nagsusuot ng ganito. Na ganitong print, tas ipapatong nila with a long sleeve top. Let's go into dresses. So, I have this dress na sobrang nagandahan ako. I fell in love. Again nga pala guys, all the sizes are small and so far I think free size lahat to. This dress I got is, it reminds me of Brandy Melville na type. Alam niyo yung pag ganito yung cut niya sa harap. I wore this when we went to Tagaytay. Medyo mababa nga lang siya guys, but for me it's okay. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-revealing suotin. It comes with a cardigan, but again, you're going to pay different prices for each. Hindi siya package. Next, we have this one. I don't know why I chose this one, but again, it's a lacy dress. It's a puff sleeves. So, why not? And it's a rib dress. So, it's a combination of what I like. Siguro kaya, kahit naisip ko na hindi ko siya susuotin. The problem is, nagsushorts ako, malamang, nagsushorts ako, or cycling shorts underneath when I'm wearing dress or skirt. The problem is, lumalabas yung shorts ko. So, that's why I thought na ang ikli niya. Or siguro if you're a little bit shorter than me or medyo maikling legs nyo, medyo mahaba kasing legs ko, I feel like sakto siya. May kita nyo sa try-on na maikli siya. Next from dresses, we have this pink rib dress. Ito, maganda rin siya. Tapos, may slit din siya na the zipper. So, if you want na walang slit, it's fine. If you want na walang slit, it's fine. If you want a little bit of skin to show, pwede din. So, nakakontrol mo yung slit niya. Ang downside lang is medyo manipis siya for me. Or am I just wearing dark underwear that time? But, you can see it sa try-on how it fits. And again, I think this is free size kasi walang tag sa kanya. Okay, lastly, we have, no, second to the last, we have cords. And I think kaya ko to pinili kasi parang I'm watching Gossip Girl. Kaya ako siya napili. Skirt siya na beige, skin tone most likely. And medyo maikli siya. But pag sinuot mo siya with this one, natatakpan naman yung pagkaikli niya kasi mas mahaba to. I'm in the size small for the skirt, guys. So if you're wondering. Pero yung small sa akin medyo masikip. So I should have gone for the medium para saktong-sakto. Kasi pag umuupo ako, medyo naiipit yung chan ko. So the blazer, saktong-sakto. I feel like free size to. Kasi it's oversized blazer. So I'm thinking if like mag-resume yung travel and we'll travel something cold, somewhere cold, something. At pwede ko siya suotin. Pero again, ang hirap mag-travel at this time. Pero ayan, blazer lang din siya. It has 2 buttons. And I also have, may pocket ba to? O wala. Wala siyang pocket. And maganda rin yung tela niya, guys. Okay, last for this haul is I got this Zara pants. Well, it's not legit Zara kasi it's from Shopee. Although merong mga Zara pants na nagbebenta na almost 500 and I have 3 of them in my closet. Nagulat ako when I got this because this is just 299, guys. So I will leave the link again of the lahat ng items na nabanggit ko, including this pants. So if you're interested, again, super bomb. Ayan yung tag niya, Zara. Meron pa siya sa likod. I'm getting the dark blue one and then yung black kasi sobrang ganda ng fit nito. Tapos alam mo, magsuot ka ng magandang sneakers. Ayun, ang ganda. Tapos crop top. Makikita niyo siya sa try-on, guys. Baka nagbago yung frame or something, but nagliligpit na ako ng mga tin-try-on. And I almost forgot na I'm gonna show you the recent mga exciting stuff that I got from Shopee. Is this flip phone. This is the LG Lollipop GD580 phone. Naghanap ako sa Shopee kasi I've been watching a lot of Gossip Girl lately. Kasi kaya ko nabili yung blazer, diba? Alam niyo yun. And I also use this as my spare phone. If hindi ako makontak ng parents ko for some what reason, they can call me here. Smart ako dito. Ayan. And alam niyo yung nostalgic phone, talaga na flip phone, tapos mag-uusap kayo, bye. Yung ganyan, ayan. And alam niyo, ang dami dong flip phone. I didn't know na binibenta pa rin nila ngayon. I will leave again the link below. And paparinig ko sa inyo ano yung tunog niya when someone's texting. I will text myself. Diba, guys? Mambubudol ako na bumili rin kayo ng phone. Ayan. So, okay, that's it for this haul. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And then don't forget, guys, to check the description box kasi nandun lahat ng links. So, again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!